China's 20th Party Congress concluded on Saturday with a rare and shocking piece of live drama. Hu Jintao, the leader of the Chinese Communist Party, CCP, from 2002 to 2012, was publicly escorted away from the party congress by staff, visibly confused and upset, just before the final votes of the session. Hu was seated in a prominent position next to current CCP leader Xi Jinping, and the incident was caught on camera. He appeared to ask Xi and Premier Li Keqiang a question, to which they both nodded, while Xi prevented him from taking some papers by placing his hand on them. Li Zhanshu, another prominent party leader, got up to aid Hu as he left but was tugged back down with a pull on his jacket by political theorist Wang Huning, seated next to him. Hu was never as powerful as Xi is now. His time in power was still in the era of so-called collective leadership, and he had to contend with the formidable influence of his predecessor Jiang Zemin. During Hu's tenure, corruption rose, and more dangerously for the party, public coverage of corruption rose, as did freedom of speech online and, to a limited extent, civil society groups and NGOs. That wasn't out of any great commitment to liberalism on Hu's part but because most party members were more occupied with making money than with enforcing the party line. Since stepping down as CCP leader in 2012, when Hu was lauded by party media for, in a stark contrast to Xi, relinquishing power, he has been largely off the stage. Many of his former allies have been arrested in Xi's purges, most notably his chief aide Ling Jiahua in 2015. Hu was associated with a power network of former leaders, like himself, of the Communist Youth League. That faction appears to have been effectively destroyed. So what just happened? Hu's name appears on a list of General Assembly members given by China's state news agency Xinhua on Saturday, but no explanation has been given for the incident, and, unsurprisingly, any attempt to discuss it online is being heavily censored. Bear in mind that the Party Congress is an extremely tightly choreographed event where the actual politics happen weeks or months in advance. That means Hu's unannounced and clumsy removal was either a cock-up, or a conspiracy.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.